All right, today we're going to be talking about painting stucco. I have some stucco in front of me that I'm going to be painting. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks, painting stucco. And to start off with, I'll just talk about what I typically paint stucco with is flat paint. So whatever I'm putting on the house is typically, and I typically paint the house, the body of the house in satin. The trim is in satin, the doors are in satin. I'm using Emerald Rain Refresh. The Rain Refresh has a little bit of a sheen to it, probably because it's given it that ability to rain or water to wash off any dirt easily. Typically the paints I use are a little bit more flat, but this actually looks pretty dang cool. If you're using anything else, I like Benjamin Moore Aura, I would use flat. Bear Dynasty would be flat. Sherwin-Williams Duration, it would be flat. Whatever I'd use, I always use a high-end paint. So I'm always using a lifetime warranty coating, and I'm going to choose flat. And so on something like this, I don't have to do anything special to it. I'm just power washing the house like I typically would, and then I'm going to be spraying the stucco. Also, if you're doing a massive color change, the green was already painted here. It was gray, and we went to green, and with a slight color change like that, you don't have to do anything elaborate spraying the stucco. If you're going, and I'll just go from drastic black to white, there's an infinite number of angles, ins and outs, nooks, crannies, crevices, pen holes that gotta be painted at different angles spraying stucco. So one thing I would highly suggest, if you ever do paint stucco and the customer has a white house and they want black, that's extremely difficult to do. It's going to take 3 to 4 times more paint, and sometimes you would have to back roll it. I always suggest painting, someplace similar or close to what the stucco is existing. If you paint it the same color, it's going to look fresher and newer because the stucco does fade over time. It flattens out even more, gets a chalky look to it. So painting it the exact same color, it'll look amazing. Repainting it even after say 5 years, 6 years. This stucco lends itself to being able to spray it just straight on and almost getting it covered 100%. Sometimes you got to spray it at a downward angle. Sometimes you got to spray it at an upward angle, at a sideways angle. You just got to look at it in different lighting. What's interesting is you'll have the stucco all sprayed. You can climb up and you spray it in the morning, climb up on a ladder, midday, the sun has changed, and you'll look down and you'll see all kinds of spots that you missed. So I leave my sprayer loaded up, and I go back, look at it in different lighting at different angles, and shoot it, again, multiple times. And if you're using flat and you're using the proper tip, when you're spraying it, you won't get flashing. If you use like a big tip, like a 619 or something like that, you get too close, you're gonna get heavy spots. But because you're gonna be shooting it multiple different angles, you can use, I had an Exit Flex 311. That's what I'm gonna be shooting the white with on here, is a 311, because the trim is smaller and I don't need a bigger tip for that. This kind of like some tips and tricks, painting stucco. And I'll give you some tips and tricks, masking, so it'll look amazing for you, when you spray your stucco.